Hi guys, I just wanted to do this quick video because this is an exciting platform which I registered with only a few days ago, but I actually really liked how it works. It's a completely automated system. You basically just need to register, okay? But there's only a few things that you need to do, probably around 4 different things that you need to do to start off your automated business so you can start earning money while you sleep. That's the reason why I actually like this platform. I work with many other platforms which takes work and referring people, so I work with those in the daytime. But it's really nice to have a business which is actually earning money while you sleep. But of course, when you first register, it can look a little bit overwhelming, but I want you to relax. There's not so much you need to do. Okay, so what I've understood from what we do with this so far, I will talk you through what you need to do just to get your business running right away. So when you first log in, it will take you to the INB network page. And this particular business has 2 websites which are running together, okay, or 2 back offices which are running together. So you need to log into both of them. But when you first log in, it will take you to this, and you can see news and things like this, which is coming up. So take the time to read these things. You got a great information page about, if asking all your questions about how to earn, how to market, or about the market, what products there are. Just take your time to go through all of these, okay? The ones to actually be aware of is your invite button. When you click on this, it comes up as 2 websites, okay? But I don't recommend sharing those 2 because it's confusing. I will show you how to share just one, and then it gets everybody set up directly. Okay, so don't share these. I don't recommend to share these links. You can, but it makes it more complicated. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go up to AI marketing. Okay, this is the second part. So if you go to here, and that's what it will look like when you open your dashboard. It will probably have 00. But what the company does, they actually give you $50, okay? And if it's not showing $50 advertising, you need to add a voucher number, okay? This you should get directly from the person who registered you, okay? So you need to send a message to them. Can I have the voucher number? Because what you would do, you would go into top up. And when you click here, you can see that I actually don't have a voucher number here, but it's always above the Visa card part here. And it will say gift voucher. You just click on here, and then this will change, and it will ask put the code in here. And once you've put the code in, you just click pay. All right. And what will happen is if you go down to statistics, you will then see that your advertising budget would have changed to $50. Okay, and that means that you're now starting to be in action. But this is just some of my results. It's not huge, but it's definitely something. And remember, I've done no advertising for this. Everything is done through the system. You basically just register, and what you're doing is the company will give you $50 voucher so you can start making money. But what they do, you need to get this one up to $100 before you can take any money, okay? Because what they're doing, they're actually lending you $50 and you have to pay that back. There is a payback button. We'll explain that in another video later, how you pay the $50 back, because they're actually lending you $50 to get you started. So that's really cool. If you're a person that hasn't got money to start a business, this is a great way of starting business, because you why not? Free money is really nice if it helps you get started. And that's normally like conventional style businesses. If you have a conventional business, it's not strange that you would go to the bank and ask for an overdraft, or you borrow money to help your company getting started. But with AE marketing, they're actually doing it automatically for every person that joins. So this is a beautiful function. I like it. So please allow, it's really important that you allow that it's going to take, at the moment it says the robot is in action. If you want to know what bot actually stands for, it's short for robot, because this actually works on its own. You don't need to really do anything. You get paid in two areas. You get paid by products which are sold through the advertising campaigns that AI marketing is running, but you also get paid for referring people to, you know, putting people into your network. So I highly recommend that you do a balance of both. You know, if you imagine yourself in a rowboat and you want to get from one side of the water to the other, you need to have registering people in one hand, in one oar, and moving products in the other, and you need to do it together. So you want to have the machine advertising your business to make money, and you need to be rowing across, and that's what I mean by registering people to get people into your business. Okay, your goal is to have thousands of people in your network consuming products all over the world. Can you imagine it? Because the way I see business is, if something can earn that, it can earn $100, and if it can earn $100, it can earn $1,000, and then $10,000, and so on. It's just, if that can be done in 2 or 3 days and I'm asleep, what a lovely idea. Okay, and the good news is you can do it too. So everything is here. The other thing I want to show you before I go, and this part, please stay on to the end of this because it's really important, because you want to promote your business properly. Okay, and you can use social media such as Facebook or YouTube to promote your business. But what you need to do, if you go to My Marketing, you can create your own landing page. And this is so simple, but it's actually a very good system. So you just simply go up to create landing page. And if you're experienced, you can really personalize it yourself, but why complicate it? The more complicated you do things, you will have it harder to teach other people. So I highly recommend you just pick the standard one. So I'm going to show you how to make a landing page fast. This is so quick. Okay, right. So there's the standard page. You can add your own personal message. So if you just click the box and then scroll down, you can write your name, your last name. You can put a photo in there, all your contact information. Me, I don't personally like doing that. I'd rather them contact me through one of my social media platforms. I won't put my telephone number. I don't want thousands of people calling me while I'm asleep. So maybe you don't want that either. But you can write a nice personal message about maybe your experience, you know, what's your vision, what value can you add to people's lives when they're working with this platform. You know, always remember that you need to add value to people's lives so they will actually join you. It doesn't matter what business you're in, always remember to add value. So just fill something in there. If you don't want to have a message, okay, you just untick the box. Okay, so I've unticked the box. If you want to promote on your landing page the 5% affiliate program, that means that people can earn money if they promote this program, just click it in. Okay, you can even add your own YouTube film. So like I'm doing my own YouTube film now, I could actually add this to my landing page if I wanted to. But you know, that's very easy. So you just, of course, you'd have loaded up your film to YouTube and you just post the link in here. So when I've saved my landing page, you would actually see this, a personalized film at the top of the landing page as well. So it's a really cool feature. But if you're not confident enough to do that, that doesn't matter. You can still be in business. So just untick it. And when you press save, it's building your landing page, and it's quick as that. So I'm just going to copy the link. What did I do? And then I will just open up the browser and I will paste it in. So you can see at the landing page I built in less than a few minutes. Okay, and you can do the same. Just let it load. Right, so there's the landing page. If I had added the film, the film would have been in here, my own personal film, or, oh, you can see this is one that I made earlier because it's actually got my personal message. So I was able to add something. The only thing I've put in there is my business email address if people want to contact me. And there's your landing page. So when anyone ever signs up to this, it will end up in your business. So if you go back to the INB network and you click on partners, and then you go into structure, you can then see the people that you've registered through your link. And remember, this runs on complete automation. And you know, if you're going to post on Facebook, for example, just do a screenshot of this. This can become your flyer. And I highly recommend as well, do not put your link in Facebook, okay? It's far better to have a really nice flyer that catches the attention of people, and then they ask you for information. You need to just have a little bit of text saying, exciting business open, earn up to 35% cash back without any complications, earn money when you sleep, ask me for information. Keep it really simple, because when people ask you for information, and then you can send them your website, okay, it's much more powerful. Because if you put the link directly on your post, what people do, they search AM marketing and then they click on someone else's link and join with them. So you're just losing people. So do it that way. I wish you all the best. Thanks for listening to me. This is an on the right road presentation, and I also have a few different businesses, just so you know. So always keep a lookout. And just so you know, the color coding on the film, some of them are blue, some of them are orange. They are all different types of businesses. Okay, that's the color coded business system I'm doing, so you know what types of businesses you're looking at. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye.